Hello students, in part 9 of trigonometric functions, I will discuss conversion of sum or difference of trigonometric functions into product and vice versa. In part 7, I have told you the formulas of sin A plus B, sin A minus B, cos A plus B and cos A minus B. Let us first write them. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. First, second, sin of A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Third, cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B, and you know in A plus B we have the opposite sign, minus sin A sin B. Fourth formula, cos of A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now, if you add sin A plus B first and second, then you get sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is equal to, if you add these two, then in the right hand side cos A sin B get cancelled, and this is equal to 2 sin A cos B. Sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B, if we subtract sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B, then the first term will get cancelled, and here these two are added, minus becomes plus, so we get 2 cos A sin B. Now if you add 3 and 4, equation 3 and 4, then cos A plus B plus cos of A minus B, this is equal to, on adding 3 and 4, sin A sin B get cancelled, and we get 2 cos A cos B. Now on subtracting 3 from 4, we get cos A minus B minus cos of A plus B, then cos A cos B get cancelled, and plus sin A sin B, and then it becomes plus sin A sin B, 2 sin A sin B. So on adding and subtracting these 4 formulas, we have got these 4 results. Now, if I let A plus B is equal to C, and A minus B is equal to D, then the left hand side of this trigonometric function becomes the sum of sin C plus sin D, and in the right hand side we have A and B, so we will find the value of A and B in terms of C and D. So if we solve these two, then we get on adding 2a is equal to c plus d, which gives a is equal to c plus d upon 2. Similarly, on subtracting, we get 2b is equal to c minus d, or b is equal to c minus d upon 2. Means we have got the values of a and b in terms of c and d. Now the left hand side of this fifth equation becomes sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin a is equal to c plus d upon 2 and b is equal to c minus d upon 2. So cos c minus d upon 2. So if we have a function, trigonometric function which is in the form of sum, we can convert it into product using this formula. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d upon 2. Now here the sign is in plus, and here we have it in the product form. Similarly, formula 6 is converted to sin c minus sin d is equal to, here the value of a is c plus d upon 2. So 2 cos c plus d upon 2 sin c minus d upon 2. Now in seventh equation, if we replace a plus b by c and a minus b by d, we get cos c plus cos d is equal to, and here we have 2 cos a cos b. A in terms of c and d is c plus d upon 2 and d c minus. So putting the value, we get 2 cos c plus d upon 2 cos c minus d upon 2. So here we have converted the sum of cosines into the product of the cosine. And now the last one is cos c minus cos d. Cos a minus b, cos a minus b, a minus b is d. So cos d minus cos c is equal to 2 sin c plus d upon 2 sin c minus d upon 2. Now if we take the angle c in the beginning, means if we take minus sign common and transferring that sign to the right hand side, we can write cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d upon 2 sin c minus d upon 2. If you want to adjust this negative sign, then you can write this is equal to, also equal to 2 sin c plus d upon 2 sin d minus c upon 2. So you can learn these formulas, means sin plus sin is equal to 2 sin cos, sin minus sin is equal to 2 cos sin, cos plus cos is equal to 2 cos cos, and cos minus cos is equal to 2 sin sin. In cos c plus cos d having the same, here put both cos, and in cos c minus cos d both sin, and in sin c plus sin d 2 sin cos, and in sin c minus sin d 2 cos sin. So in this way we can convert the sum of sine or cosine in terms of the product of sine or cosine. In the earlier derivations, I converted the sum or of sine or cosine into the product. Now I will write the product in terms of sum. So we have already, in the previous derivation, we have already used these results. So I can write 2 sin a cos b as the sum of sin a plus b plus sine A minus B. And 2 cos A sine B is equal to sine A plus B minus sine A minus B. Here we are converting the product of sine or cosine in terms of addition or subtraction. So 2 sine A cos B is sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. 2 cos A cos B is equal to, you can write this is equal to cos A plus B plus cos of A minus B. 2 sine A sine B is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So these are the conversion formulas in which the product is converted into sum or difference. And I have already derived that how we can convert the sum into product, again revising those formulas. If you have sin C plus sin D, then this is equal to 2 sin cos, 2 sin C plus D upon 2 cos of C minus D upon 2. Sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos C plus D upon 2 sin C minus D upon 2. Cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D upon 2 cos of C minus D upon 2. And cos C minus cos D is equal to 2 sin C plus D upon 2 sin D minus C upon 2, or minus 2 sin C plus D upon 2 sin C minus D upon 2. So this is the list of formulas. By using these formulas, you can convert product into sum or sum into product. So these are 8 formulas which you must learn. And in the next part, I will tell you how to use these formulas to solve the questions. So in part 10, I will discuss the problems based on these formulas. So students, with this I conclude today's part 9, and in the next part I will discuss the problems based on these formulas. Like and subscribe my channel for new videos. Thank you, students.